Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a sunset eyeshadow look and let's get right into it. So first, prime your eyes. I already did that while doing my brows. So I'm just going in with my eye canvas to make my eyeshadow pop more. So just make sure you can use a white concealer if that's what you have, but this is really important for this look, especially because you want it to be as bright as possible. Just blend out the eye canvas or concealer, whichever you want. Just blend out and don't use a lot of product to minimize creasing. You can use any brush except the ones that you're going to use for your eyeshadow. So blend, blend, blend. You can use a beauty blender, but I prefer using a brush because it's a smaller region and I want to have more control over my product. So I'm going in with the yellow. We're going to be using yellow and orange. So pack the yellow on the outer corner of your eye as I'm doing there, and just apply it as if you're going towards your inner eye, but do not concentrate it on the inner corner of your eye. Also, leave the lash line area because that is where we're going to be placing the orange. And yeah, just blend it in. Don't forget to hold your brush at the tip to ensure that you blend the product well and for easy application. The next step is you're going to go with the orange, and please concentrate the orange on your the inner corner of your eye and along your lash line because you want to have a contrast between the yellow and the orange as I'm doing there. So just tap in the product. Please do not go where the yellow is, but do not be scared if you lose a little bit or almost all of the yellow because you're going to be going back with yellow and orange back and forth. So please do not be worried. And as you can see, I'm adding a little bit of the orange somewhere near the outer corner because this is where my transition is going to be because we want to create that sunset effect. So just put a little bit of orange, the remaining product after you packed the orange in your inner corner and along your lash line. So just put a little bit of it on the transition. It's okay if you put a lot of it, you're going to blend it out. So I'm going back with the yellow to compensate for the yellow that I had lost while adding the orange pigment on my eyes. So just continue adding the yellow and blending. But make sure that every time you add yellow, you concentrate it on the outer corner as I'm doing right now. And then the remainder you can concentrate it on the transition because you want to create that mixture of yellow and orange because that is how you get the sunset effect basically. So just blend the transition with yellow. Please, for the subsequent times, do not use orange because orange is definitely going to do away with the yellow. Blend, continue adding yellow towards the transition and creating that distinction between the yellow and the orange. You can always go back with the orange if you feel like you did away with it using the yellow. But generally, orange is a brighter color than yellow, so it's actually the yellow you should be worried about. So you're going to go back and forth. As you can see, it's already beginning to make sense. So I decided to add a little bit of orange to create the contrast. As you can see, I'm focusing it on my lash line and the inner corner of my eye. So continue adding each color as you see fit until you're comfortable with the results. I was beginning to get comfortable. I was liking what I was seeing, so I decided to just blend it out a little. I did the rest of my makeup off camera and this is the final look. Please tell me what you think in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe, like this video. See you next time guys. Bye.